Hello, my name is Nicole Gastello, and today I'm going to provide you with a brief explanation about the present simple tense. In what situations am I going to use the present simple tense? Well, to talk about routines or habits, to talk about facts or things that are or will always stay true, things that are true. Let's take a look at this picture. Let's say that is me. Okay, this is Nicole. This is me. What is the verb? The verb is read. Okay, to read a book. To read a book. Okay, and because this is me, I'm going to use this pronoun. I. I will say, I read a book every day. This is my verb, read a book. Take a look at this picture. This is Sophia, this is Clara, and this is Lucy. What pronoun am I going to use now? I'm going to use the pronoun they, ellas, ellos, plural. Then I will say, they read a book every day. Let's take a look at the next picture. This is my friend Kevin. What pronoun am I going to use for Kevin? I'm going to use the pronoun he. And I will say, he reads a book every day. The verb is reads. What happened here? Well, I added the letter S. So according to the pictures, my verb was read. This is my verb in its base form. It's infinitive form. This is an infinitive verb, which means it is not conjugated. Remember what was the verb for I? I say I read. You read. He, she, or it read. We read. And they read. Yes, so the only subject that will have read with the letter S is he, she, and it. So now that we have this, let's do some exercises. The verb here is eat. So what can I say for number one? I pizza every Sunday. Good. I eat pizza every Sunday. Number two, he pizza every Sunday. He eats pizza every Sunday. Number three, they pizza every Sunday. They eat pizza every Sunday. So this is why we need to always remember what the rule says. For pronouns he, she, or it, we will add the letter S at the end of our infinitive verb. But this only happens for regular verbs. What happens in case of irregular verbs, and what are the irregular verbs? Let's bring our pronouns. I'm going to introduce you one of the most common irregular verbs. Yes, you know it, I know it. It is the verb to be. In this case, I will say, I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. They are. But let's regroup them. If we regroup them, then we will have I am, he, she, it is, you, we, they are. There's also another irregular verb, which is the verb have. Have. In this case, I will say, I have. He, she, it has. You, we, they, have. But what does the rule say for irregular verbs? The rule says that verbs ending in double F, X, CH, SH, and the letter O will change to ES at the end. For example, so here we have 5 verbs to see how the rule applies to them. The first verb will be kiss. Kiss. Dar un beso. Besar. Kiss. I kiss. He, she, it kisses. You, we, they kiss. The next verb, fix. Arreglar, reparar. Fix. I fix. He, she, it fixes. You, we, they fix. The next verb, watch. Ver, mirar. I watch. He, she, it watches. You, we, they watch. The next verb, wash, lavar. I wash. He, she, it washes. You, we, they wash. Next verb, go. I go. He, she, it goes. You, we, they go. So you see how the rule applies? We have some regular verbs that change all its form, like be or have, where there are different, the conjugation, but we also have a rule for irregular verbs. So we know when the word or the verb ends in double S, whenever I'm going to conjugate it with these pronouns, he, she, or it will end in ES. Kisses, fixes, watches, washes, goes. Let's do some practice. The first picture, there's the verb watch. He television every morning. He watches television every morning. That's an irregular verb. Good. They to school every day. They go to school every day. Good. Next. She chess every afternoon. She plays chess every afternoon. Work. My mother on Sundays. My mother works on Sundays. He a bus. He drives a bus. It eat grass. It eats grass. Good. But what if I change the word be and then I say my mother an engineer? Excellent. My mother is an engineer. And what will happen here? They, students. Yes, they are students. Very good. Very well done. Now you know how to make affirmative sentences with the present simple tense. Thank you. Bye.